What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl back again with another video. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking this video, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for supporting my journey. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a never have I ever question tag, which I asked you guys on Instagram and on my WhatsApp to send me some questions, and you guys sent me a bunch of questions, and there are so many that I have to choose some of the questions because, you know, some of the questions are very explicit and I don't want to be answering those kind of questions here right now. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, so as usual, you know I can't start my video without, don't be silly. You know I can't start my video without saying something little about my hair. So I revived this hair recently after 2 years of owning this hair, and you guys, you'd love to see the before and after of the hair. So just go and check through my channel and see how I revived this beautiful hair you're looking at right now. Okay, so let's go to the questions. My first question is, never have I ever thought of marrying a celeb. Nah, never. I've never thought of marrying a celeb. If I like you, fine. If I like you and you're not a celeb, it's alright. But then if you're a celeb and I like you, that's not bad. Never have I ever told a lie. Please, I've told a lie. Yes. Never have I fought in school. Okay. Fought in school. I've never. No. I fought in school. I fought in school. That was way back in class 4. I fought in school. Yes. I fought with my best friend. She wasn't like my best friend, but like she was my close friend then. Yes, I fought. Never have I ever sneaked out of the house. Please, I have, but don't tell my mom. Never have I ever been to a club. Okay. I haven't. Okay, I've been to a club, but I didn't know it was a club. I thought like it was a restaurant that we're going to. My friends said we should go, and I decided to go with them, but we all didn't know there was a club. It was like a popular place that has just been opened in Kumasi, so we decided to go and not know it was a club. So I've been to a club. Never have I ever sleepwalked into an unknown place. Nah, I haven't. But I know that when I was little, I used to sleepwalk back from school, but not to an unknown place. Never have I ever stolen. Please, I don't steal. If I'm taking something from my sibling, it is not called stealing. It's called taking or borrowing, because I return it, right? I don't steal. Or have I stolen? Maybe once or twice I've taken something from my friend that I've not told them. Okay, that is what is stealing anyway. So I've stolen. Yeah. Eventually everybody steals. You know, what? Never have I ever cried because of a boy. I have cried because of a boy. Yeah, I have. I'm not going to dive into this matter, okay? But I have cried because of a boy some years ago. Yes. Never have I blown my chances with a guy. Well, I should think I have, because probably the guy likes me and I didn't show any interest in the guy back, so I think I've blown my chances with the guy. Yeah. Never have I ever gone out without taking a bath. Please, I have. Not once, not twice, not 3 times. I've done it more than I can remember. but I not always, but I've gone out without taking a bath before, especially in school when the taps are not running in my hostel. Please, I always do dress up and then go out. Yeah. And most of the times when I'm going to the market, I don't take my bath before I go, because I have this feeling that people will be touching me and people will be pushing me, and I'm going to get their sweat on my body. So I like to go to the market before I come back and take my bath. Yeah, I've gone out without taking my bath before. Okay, never have I ever smoked weed. I haven't even smoked paper or cigarettes. How much more weed? Please, I've never smoked. I don't smoke. I remember when this guy met me for the first time, and imagine the first question that the guy asked me: do I smoke? Why do I look like I smoke? Please, I don't smoke. Okay. Never have I ever farted loudly in public. Oh, Jesus, people can ask questions. Please, I have. And this one is not embarrassing. If I have not farted in your presence, it means I've not been real with you. You're not my friend, because me, amongst my friends, I just fart anyhow by heart, how I want to do it, left, right, center, up, bottom. Okay, please, I farted in public before. I always do, but I make sure that they don't hear. Never have I ever flirted with my teacher. No. I don't encourage teachers dating or like being with their students, having an affair with their students, so I have never done that. Never have I ever slapped someone. Okay, so I've slapped this guy, but that was years ago. I think when class 3. Yes, this guy, it was our daytime, and you know, our day, they play music for like students to be entertained and all that, and I was dancing with my friends, and this guy came to stand behind me. He was like, he wanted to grind me. I was like, no, I don't like that. This boy was still coming, so he came to stand behind me. I don't know, I just turned and I slapped him, and everybody was like, oh. So yes, I've slapped someone before. Next, never have I ever lied about where I'm going to my parents. Please, I have lied about that. Sometimes if you tell your parents the truth about where you're going to, they don't want you to go. I don't know, maybe they are being protective of you or something. So sometimes I lie about where I'm going to and then just go. Never have I ever gossiped about my friend. Okay, no, this one is not like all the time, but like once in a while, if my friend does something that I think I can't approach her about it, I just tell the other friend. So in that way, it's called gossiping, right? Yeah, so I have gossiped about my friend. Never have I ever been dumped. I'm not sure. Okay, to me, I wouldn't feel like I've been dumped, but maybe to the guy, he feels like he has dumped me or something like that. So I don't really know, but I'm not sure I've been dumped before. Never have I ever liked a boy from church. Ooh, I have. Yeah, I have. I have. Yes. Never have I ever wished to be someone else. I'm not sure I wish to be somebody else, but maybe I wish I have something that somebody else has. maybe material things, but as in personality, no. I like myself, okay? I know I'm loud and I'm crazy and all that, but I just love me. All right. Never have I ever stolen from a shop. Okay, once I stole gum from a shop. Yeah, so I've stolen from a shop before. It's funny, right? How did I steal just gum? Okay, I felt like gum is very little, so they wouldn't notice, because I can't take something big and then they'll stop me and be like, girl, do you steal from my shop? No, so I stole a gum, chewing gum. Never have I ever been a bully. No, I've never been a bully. Okay, even in high school I couldn't bully the children, like as in, yeah, they are children, because I was a senior. Okay, I mean my juniors, I couldn't. I tried being hard and all that, but like I'm very compassionate, so I just couldn't. So I haven't been a bully. Never have I ghosted someone online. Please, I always do that. I don't know, it's something about me. I don't know why I do that, but I always ghost people. Okay, so yeah, I'm sorry if I've ghosted you before. It's part of me, so you guys should get used to it. Okay, after ghosting you, I feel bad and I come and talk. I come and talk to you. Never have I ever been suspended from school. Nope. I've always been a good girl, so I don't need suspension. Never have I ever cheated in a relationship. Ew, no, never. I can't be a cheat. No, I hate it when I'm cheated on, so I don't like to cheat on some boy or somebody's son. Nah. I've never cheated in a relationship. Okay, this is cool. Okay guys, so this is where I end today's video. I think another time I'm going to do the explicit part of the never have I questions that you guys sent to me, otherwise I wouldn't be fair to everybody. So yes, this is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for hitting the red subscribe button down here, and also thank you for giving this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you for sharing everywhere on all your social media platforms. You can also check out my other videos, because I have a lot of videos for you guys. And if you want to see my next update, and if you want to see what else I have for you guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on post notification so that you get notified whenever I update a new video. Bye.